Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the SST class of 2nd standard. Students, today I am going to start new lesson 9, Places of Worship. What is the meaning of worship? Worship means respect and devotion paid to God. In this lesson, I am going to discuss different places of worship, head of different places of worship, and different holy books. The objective of the topic for today is to teach the students about the different places of worship. Students, when you get up in the morning, what do? You brush your teeth, take a bath, and worship God. To worship God, you join your hands and bow your head. Students, a place of worship is a specially designed structure where individual or a group of people come to perform acts of devotion. Temples, church, synagogue, mosque, gurudwaras are examples of structures created for worship. As you all know, people of different religion live in India. They go to different places of worship according to their religion. But students, God is one. We see God in many ways. We can go to any place of worship according to our wish. Now students, I am going to discuss different places of worship. Number 1, temple. Temple is a religious place of Hindus. Hindus go to a temple to offer prayer. The holy books of Hindus are the Ramayana and the Bhagavad Gita. The head of a temple is Pujari. He is responsible for performing temple rituals like puja and aarti. Now next place of worship I am going to discuss is church. Church is a religious place of Christians. Christians go to a church to offer prayer. The holy book of Christians is the Bible. The head of a church is father. He is commanded to treat his family as Christ treats the church. Mosque. Mosque is a religious place of Muslims. Muslims go to a mosque to offer prayer. The holy book of Muslim is the Quran. The head of a mosque is Qazi. He has given the responsibility for total administrative control over a town. Now students, before reading, I would like to discuss important terms of lesson 9, places of worship. Number 1, worship, respect and devotion paid to God. Number 2, temple, a place where Hindus go for worship. Number 3, church, a place where Christians go for worship. And number 4, mosque, a place where Muslims go for worship. Now students, it's a reading time. So open your book at page 46, lesson 9, places of worship. Students, what is the meaning of worship? Respect and devotion paid to God. Now let's start reading. Hina was standing with her mother in a queue to enter the temple. Underline queue, write down the meaning, line. It was Janmashtami and hundreds of people had gathered at the Shri Krishna temple. Underline gathered, write down the meaning, assembled. Students, in this lesson, Hina is a girl who was standing in a line to enter the temple. It was Janmashtami and many people had assembled at Shri Krishna temple. Students, Janmashtami is a religious festival of Hindus. On this day, Lord Krishna was born. Suddenly she heard someone calling her name. Hina, Hina. Underline suddenly, write down the meaning at once. It was Sanjeev. He was already inside the temple with his mother. He had seen Hina and was waving to her. Suddenly Hina met her friend Sanjeev, who was already inside the temple with his mother. Now students, it's a time to read fact. Over 1000 years ago, the ancient Mayan people built impressive temples, especially in Mexico. Underline ancient, write down the meaning former. Underline impressive, write down the meaning splendid. Underline especially, write down the meaning mainly. Students, Mexico is a country in North America where Mayan people built splendid temples over 1000 years ago. Soon Hina also reached the temple. Underline reached, write down the meaning arrived. She was happy that her friend Sanjeev was also there. Underline happy, write down the meaning glad. Both were class fellows. Underline class fellows, write down the meaning classmates. They had great fun in the temple and both decided to tell their class teacher about it the next day. Now students, Hina and Sanjeev both were classmates. They enjoyed a lot in the temple and decided to tell their teacher about it the next day. The next day, Hina was the first to tell her teacher as to how she and Sanjeev had enjoyed themselves at the temple. Now on the next day, Hina told the whole story to her teacher. Teacher, Hindus go to the temple on Janmashtami because Lord Krishna was born that day. Now teacher told, on Janmashtami, Hindus go to a temple. Now teacher told, on Janmashtami, Hindus go to a temple. Students, Janmashtami is a religious festival of Hindus. On this day, Hindus go to a temple to celebrate this festival. Students, I had already discussed with you, temple is a religious place of Hindus. Hindus go to a temple to offer prayer or to celebrate religious festivals. Now, on page 47, can anyone tell me who goes to the church to pray? Now, teacher asked, who goes to the church to pray? Diya. Ma'am, my friend Daisy says that she goes to the church. Teacher, Diya, your friend Daisy goes to the church because she is a Christian. Now teacher told Diya that her friend Daisy is a Christian, so she goes to the church. Students, church is a religious place of Christians. Christians go to a church to offer prayer. Now it's a time to read fact. The Pope is the head of Roman Catholic Church. He is the head of the smallest country of the world, that is Vatican City. Students, who is the head of the Roman Catholic Church? Pope. The Pope is the head of the Roman Catholic Church. Students, Vatican City is surrounded by Rome and Italy. It is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. Muslims offer prayers in a mosque. Students, I had already discussed with you, mosque is a religious place of Muslims. Muslims go to a mosque to offer prayer or to offer namaz. Students, today I had read page 46 and 47. So your homework is to watch this video again and do exercise activity and check yourself on page 48 by yourself.